스토리는 매우 좋은 게임이에요.
Someone there should be able to help us find the rentiers.
왕쌤님 어서 오세요. 알기는 하지만
휴거.
뭔지는 모르는 그 게임.
Hugo?
휴가가 왜 대답을 별로 안 해?
Mummy won't be happy when she finds out I fell in the water.
에휴.
Well, let's not mention it when we see her, alright? Come on.
엄마쟁이?
First we have to get dry.
아프니까 더 엄마를 의지하는 건 어쩔 수 없는 것 같아요.
Misha, why did they want to capture us?
I don't know. I don't want to think about it right now.
We'll ask the rentiers to take us to see Mummy and Daddy.
Yes, of course. Where is everyone?
Oh, apples.
Hugo, not now.
But
Don't touch them. They're all rotten.
I'm hungry.
How can you think of food right now?
어린애가 배가 고프면 그럴 수 있지.
There must be a lot of people. Excuse me. Please wait. Madam?
왜
What's the matter
도망가지?
with them?
They look scared.
어,
I don't believe
뭐야?
it.
They're hiding.
We've waited too long. I told you we need to leave.
And go where?
Someone's there.
We'll come back later when things are better.
무슨 일이 있나 본데?
That's enough. Don't want to talk about it anymore.
Oh, look. Someone's drawn something on the doors.
Come back here. That means there are sick people in these houses. Don't touch anything.
Oh, they're not allowed to go outside.
It's more serious than that. It means that we could catch their illness, so stop running around.
All right. Sorry.
어우, 동생한테 왜 이렇게 버럭버럭하니? 어디까지
The
가야
village is
돼?
contaminated. That's why everyone's hiding.
소리가
I smell
들리는데?
something cooking. Is it fair?
It doesn't sound like a fair. Good Lord.
와, 사람을 태웠어.
You! I'm begging you! Go get help!
Well, I'll be damned. Here's the rest of them.
What? No. Wait, we're just looking for someone.
And you found him. It's your damn music what brought them out, huh? Those dirty vermin that invaded our church. That filth would attack our
뭐라는
children in
거야?
their beds and gave them the black thing. But now you found Conrad Malfour. And I'm telling you, this is the last village you'll infect.
이거 영상 보니까 쥐떼가 나오던데요?
Run, Hugo!
What's happening, Amicia?
Just run!
또 뛰어?
Are they angry? Are they going to burn us too?
와이씨, 못 봤어. 채팅창 보느라고.
We have to hide, Amicia.
Here, get inside, quickly!
All's quiet.
He's going to see us.
Don't move.
Have to wait until they show themselves. Then we'll get them. What's that racket about?
에? 그냥 이거 길 따라 오면 끝인 건데?
Come on.
빨리 가, 빨리.
Shh. That's it. Almost.
We showed him.
Ah, not that way!
Where are we going?
Come on, just run as fast as you can! There! The wall!
They're coming!
Quick, quick! should never have come here.
Why are they doing that?
They think we have brought evil with us. We have to find a way out of here.
아, 이렇게 해야 되는구나. 화면을 돌려야 되는구나.
Good. We can climb
돌려.
onto it now. The chain doesn't look very strong.
But it will make some noise, right?
Do you have a better idea? Let's push this.
Right.
Come, I'll get you up.
Yes.
그러게요. 상자가 안 보여서 보니까 위에 달려있어.
Well, we got out.
So we can leave now, right?
If they don't find us again.
But you have your sling. You can protect us.
It's not that easy, Hugo.
근데 언제까지 뛰냐? 얘네들 힘들겠다. 어머! 걸렸어.
Quick, the ladder. Go and climb. You first.
It doesn't look safe, Amicia.
We're running out of time. They're coming.
It's going to break.
어머.
I told you.
Hugo, where are you going? Don't leave me.
Amicia, come
못
here.
가.
This side.
There you are.
I found this, so you can climb up.
Well done. I'll get it to fall. Watch out.
아, 누나 버리고 혼자 살려고.
Come on, come on.
Here you go.
Well done.
뭐야?
Scared.
I'm sorry about the ladder.
It's my fault. You were right.
We need to go home.
We can't. Not without Laurentius.
Amicia, hide.
Well, where the hell are they?
We surrounded the area. They were here a few minutes ago.
The two of you surrounded the whole area? Get out of here! Call the others.
Conrad lost his mind when his kid died. We have to burn innocent people? Chase kids?
쫄
I
가.
heard something. Let's go take a look.
Don't do anything foolish.
가도 괜찮. 걸리네. 오지마.
Nothing at all.
Sound the alarm. There's someone.
아하. 이게 너무 빨리 던지면 안 되는 거야. 둘 다 쳐다보네.
Conrad lost his mind when his kid died. We have to burn innocent people? Chase kids? Meanwhile, the plague spreads through the village.
You think it's normal to have a girl and a kid running around here with the things the way they are? I bet they came out of the church with the rest of that scum.
제가 안 보여야 되는데. 안 움직이네. 아, 거참. 됐다. 제가 안 본다. 있다고? 저쪽으로 가.
I did hear something. I know I did.
가자.
Oh no, not again.
아, 진짜.
No. There's no way out.
Oh no. Quickly, please.
I'm trying. I'm trying. It won't hold them for long. Quickly, quickly.
They know we're here.
Hugo, go through there. Open it for me.
Right.
보통 이 천이 있으면은 문이 안 열리죠?
Can you unblock it?
I'm trying.
Hurry! Quickly, Hugo, please.
I can.
Hugo, he's here. Hugo, do
안돼.
run!
가자 가자.
I have to stop Amicia.
Oh, please, we
자동으로
can't carry on.
닫혀.
Just a little further. Dead end. We're finished.
어떡해.
This way.
어,
Don't be afraid. Come in.
감사합니다.
Infected part of the village. Where are they?
Listen, we'll tell Conrad we lost them. I'm not staying here.
마음씨
Rest
좋은
now.
할머니.
You're safe. They'll never come looking for you here. You're soaking. There are clothes you can change into upstairs. In a chest in the bedroom.
Are you sure?
옷도 내어주시는 거야? 저 앞에도 반짝이는 게 있는데?
That's better. What about you?
We have to go and find Mummy, Amicia.
Not yet. She told us to find Laurentius.
But that's silly. We're going to get caught.
Hugo, we're going to do what she told us and that's it. Hugo, wait.
저 말썽쟁이 꼬맹이. 그래도
Incense. The same as Mother used to use.
멀리는 못 가겠지.
They fit you. Good. They belonged to my grandchildren. Oh, my name is Clairvy.
I'm Amicia. And this is Hugo. Say thank you, Hugo.
Thank you.
Clovey, what is happening here?
The plague. So many people dead. And those still alive have... But where are your parents?
At home. They're waiting for us.
We're looking for a doctor. Laurentius.
A doctor? Perhaps... A man did come and help at the hospice early on. The monks might be able to tell you more, but...
What?
수도사?
They haven't been seen recently. No one goes near the church anymore.
It's all we have. We must go and see.
You'll die there. But no one listens to old Clary anymore, so... Anyway, I see you have a sling. You're going to need it. But it'll be no use to you in that state. Go to the backyard.
와,
You'll find some new
모든 걸
strips of leather there.
내어주시는데?
And feel free to use the workshop in the next room for
작업실까지?
your repairs.
That's very kind of you.
Feel free to use the tools by the workshop.
쟤 때문에 다 못 봤는데 위층에 먹을 게 더 있나? 아까 그 가루가 다였나 보다. 근데 이 게임 무기 강화도 있고 무슨 게임인지 모르.
Right, got the tools. I just need the leather.
가죽? 여기
Leather.
있다.
Right, let's get to work. Come on, keep calm and concentrate.
도와준 할머니 집을 털다니요. 끔. 이거밖에 안 돼? 새총에서 소리가 나지 않습니다. 아미시아가 몸을 드러내 새총을 조준하는 시간이 줄어듭니다. 머리를 맞은 적이 즉사합니다.
That's much better. With the right materials, I
아,
could improve it
파우치도
even more.
나오고. 최대 정확도. 주머니. 탄약 가방 10개. 달리거나 피할 때 소음을 적게 냅니다. 근데 못 만들잖아.
Right. I must go and thank Clovey.
뭐야?
Ah, so?
It's a lot better. Thank you, Clovey. Thanks for everything.
So that's where you lost them. Yeah. They won't survive long around here if you ask me.
What on earth are you doing? Put that mallet down. Are you stupid or what?
I am not stupid.
Don't shout.
Children, that's enough
I want to
noise.
see Mommy.
이러다가 다
Shut
죽겠다.
up. You're going to get us killed.
Mommy will protect us.
That's enough.
I want to see
Mummy
Mommy.
is dead, Hugo. You'll never see her again. Or Daddy.
Amicia.
You're lying.
어...
They were killed at the house. Both of them. So shut up.
Lying. Lying. I hate you.
Please stop.
Hugo, no!
어린애들이잖아요.
Hugo, wait! Don't go out. You're mad.
난 이리 못 가? 인사
Hugo, go
인사도
back.
안 하고 가네.
What's he doing?
꼬맹아, 거기 서라. 뭐 저렇게
Oh,
빨라?
no, he's going to get us killed. Hugo, please. I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my God. Oh no. Hugo! I shouldn't have shouted. Please listen to me. I'm sorry.
아, 저 꼬맹이.
No, 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 no. Let him go.
So that's where you were.
No, wait. We just want to leave.
You will leave, yes.
I didn't want to.
Amicia! Amicia!
Hugo!
아,
I'm coming! Oh, please say he's alive. Please say he's alive. Hugo!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Stop screaming.
Amicia!
We're just waiting
아
for you.
동생을 구하려면 어쩔 수
Don't
없잖아.
hurt him!
You're not gonna
He's
put
just
me
a
in the...
child.
I'm gonna start with you. Why'd you have
No,
to come here,
please.
huh? Idiot.
Don't
와,
hurt me!
His armor has stopped axes and swords.
Ah, there has to be a way to get that armor off.
어디를 맞춰야 하는 거야?
Just a bit rusty. You're a slippery one.
이거군.
But one hit's all it takes. Just one. There's no escape.
아이,
Sooner or later. I know what you're like. Fine. I
다
can use
가슴.
that to my advantage. I'm going to show you what it's like to lose someone you love.
아이,
You're going to have to do better than that.
왜 이렇게 빨라졌어?
Keep it up. Only death will stop.
돌이 없다.
That's sweet embrace.
아, 아, 왜 이렇게 빨라?
Let's get this over.
얘도 지치는구나.
Yes. Take me to my son.
빠염.
You killed him.
아유.
Come on.
넘어온다. 응보? 너무나 무서운 분이었어.
Look, Amicia.
I'm coming.
아,
Whoa. Why are there candles?
The candles are to show that you're thinking of someone.
Oh,
어,
can I light one?
If you want to, don't burn yourself.
Thank you.
귀여워. 아구 아구.
For Mummy and Daddy.
Watch over them.
엄마랑 아빠 거야. 에휴, 귀여워.
It's funny. The sound here.
There's an echo.
Hello!
Hugo,
근데
there might
동생
be people
배고프다
here.
그랬는데
Oh, a necklace.
It's a rosary.
What's it for?
Praying.
Can I use it to talk to Mummy and Daddy?
We'll do it together.
얘네도 밥도 안 먹어. 괜찮은 거야? 아예 못 가네.
Hey, look! There's a broken window on the left.
Come on, get up there.
I hope it doesn't break like the other one.
It won't, Hugo. Trust me.
Amicia, there's someone there.
Children, what are you doing here?
Father, we need help.
Leave! It's dangerous! You have no business being
왜
here!
여기 있으면 안 된다는
please,
거지?
it's important. We should go and talk to him.
Is he the one who knows where Laurentius is?
It has to be him. It has to.
Oh, they've broken everything.
What's going on here?
Perhaps they're building bigger beds?
I don't think that's it.
템 주세요. 여기도 템이 있는 것 같은데 없나? 더 이상? 여기 있다. 이 시절의 질병은
I know that smell.
Medicinal herbs. The monks must have put them in the water to purify themselves. Mother used to do the same.
가죽? 천? 돌팔매. 이거 아까 헤드 맞추면은 한 방울이 죽는다고 떴었거든요.
Flowers. They're so pretty. They're carnations. We had some in my herbarium. But those ones are prettier.
Hugo, we have to keep moving.
Wait, come here.
What?
It will protect you. And it's pretty too.
Oh,
예쁘기도 하니까
Alright.
지켜준다고.
Now we can go.
thank you, Hugo.
You're welcome.
아, 머리에 꽂아줄지는 어떻게 알고 머리를 쓰다듬었을까? 여기는 없어? 꾹 꽂았어요. 못 여네.
Father,
You again.
수도
I told you
파밍
to leave.
꿀이네.
just
You have no idea. Leave while you still can.
please. Someone has to help us. Do it for him at least.
The Robert de Rune, coat of arms.
We are his children. We are looking for Laurentius, the doctor. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him. And I know he used to look after your family. He spoke of you. I am Father Thomas. Your presence here is not a good sign.
The Inquisition. They came and they...
I can imagine. But what is happening here is far worse. You must leave immediately, or you will die.
Father, the villagers wanted to kill us.
Oh, they're mad. Oh, Laurentius. No, I cannot leave the church.
교회를 지켜야 되나
An
본데.
exit. Through the crypt of the Three Saints. It may not be too late. I shall try to put you on the path to Laurentius's farm, but after that, may God watch over you. All seems calm for the moment. Come.
뭐가 잠잠해졌다는 거야?
Above all, be sure to stay in the light.
불빛에서 떨어지지 말라고?
Why are there crosses on the village doors? Is it really the plague?
It started with bites during the night. Then the sickness spread. First in families, then to everyone. Fever, boils. People started dying. And when we finally found out where it came
열과
from,
종기?
it was already too late.
And where did it come from?
We're nearly there.
원인을 물어봤더니
Brother
말은 안
Morel
해주고.
should be here. We are the last two remaining.
잠시만요.
Brother Morel. Stay here.
불에서 떨어지지 말라면서 저렇게 혼자 가도 돼?
Brother Morel.
앞쪽에 초가 있기는 하구나.
Brother.
또 머리 아픈가 봐.
Father?
뭐야? 어머. 동생 왜 저래?
No.
아우.
Quick. The light. Father, no. The light.
이 모습 봤어. 먹방?
You can't stay close to me.
어떡해.
Monsieur, they ate him!
Where did they come from? How can there be so many of them? Protect us.
They're everywhere!
The light. They're scared of the light. It's a nightmare.
We have to get back outside, Amicia!
나가야 한다고?
Moving.
어떡해.
The other brother. We're going to have to climb up.
세스코
I'll
몰라.
put the torch down.
No, please!
Calm down. There's a torch holder. We'll still have light. Come on, I'll help you.
But then what?
We'll find something.
뭐라도 있겠지. 이거 안 돼?
I don't understand why there are so many of fire. We
Pull,
need
pull.
some fire. The wood will burn quickly. We have to hurry.
Go away!
빨리 가, 빨리.
Go away!
저리 가래, 꼬맹이
The
귀여워.
light will protect us, all right?
All right.
So that's their plague. Rats. The priest spoke of a way out.
꺼진다.
Through the crypt.
Amicia, the three statues.
어떡해,
The
또.
three saints. It's the exit the father spoke of. Oh, we have to find another way. Go on, climb up.
Right.
어.
They've eaten them all.
Try not to look. We can't do anything for them now.
It's horrible.
I know. Come on.
뭐가 있어? 어,
You go first.
All right.
밤이. 여기 뭐가 있고. 돌멩이? 저건 뭔지 모르겠는데 이런 거 있으면 다 해줘야 될 것 같은데?
Right. We'll pass at the same time.
어디로 내려가는 거야?
Follow me.
아, 내려가는데 아, 여기에선 저기가 안 보였구나. 올 때 나가고.
They're making too much noise. Too much noise.
Hugo, calm down.